Okay, I'm going to do a cold start. It's actually the first time I've done this on my 67 GTO that I just got. So, whoops, sorry. This has electronic gauges now that are made to look old, but are new. Sorry. Uh-oh. Turn the lights on, the gauges turn red, so that's why you have that color difference there. We're still right at 1,000 RPM, but it's been super cold here, 20 degrees. Today was actually in the 40s, but the last several days have been in the 20s. Sounds alright. Sounds pretty good actually. I'm gonna let it warm up, and I'll do some more videos here as it gets hopefully a little bit warmer, and I get to try this thing out. Still haven't driven it. It's got a 5-speed Tremec in it, so I'm really hoping that modern transmission makes a big difference, and I think it will, in how this thing drives. So stay tuned. I'll do a lot more videos as I'm able, once I get the car inspected and get everything done so I can get it roadworthy. Thanks for watching.